Today, I want to talk to you about the benefits of rising interest rates. Is that a thing? No, but seriously, I racked my head this morning thinking about this topic because the reality is we are in a rising interest rate environment. I don't know for how long the interest rates are going to climb and to what magnitude, but the reality is here, so we've got to deal with it. And so I scribbled down a few ideas. If you have your own ideas, share them with me in the comments to this video. I want to hear what you have to say. But right off the bat, my first benefit is obviously we'll see a little bit more interest on our savings accounts as banks have to raise their rates on what they're giving me. I really saw a lot of pain on my accounts when interest rates started dropping, and I was always disappointed when I saw my statement that I wasn't getting anything for it, but that's about to change. The next point or next benefit I have here is less bidding wars due to less competition in the marketplace for homes. And unfortunately, what that means is that some home buyers are going to get knocked out of the market. They're not going to be able to afford to buy anymore because the interest rates go up and they're kind of priced out due to the rates. I hate to see that happen now, on one hand, because I feel for these guys. Don't wish anybody not to be able to get a home, but this is the reality. Rising interest rates are going to push some people out, and it's going to make things a little bit easier for other folks that still have a lot more room to bid on homes. The next benefit I have here is less price inflation, or less price appreciation rather. I love appreciation. I'm a homeowner. I like to see my value going up, but we've done quite a bit of appreciation in a short amount of time, and bringing that price appreciation down to earth a little bit is going to be a good thing for folks to get into a home. So we definitely want to see that kind of temper down a little bit, and folks, everything else to kind of catch up. And, I don't want to see everything drop drastically either, but we do want to see a little bit less of that inflation. The next benefit of rising rates is going to be more lending options. So whether you are buying a home, whether you are taking a cash out refi, something like that, or trying to do some repairs in the home and borrowing, you're going to have more options because the banks are going to have less refi business. In a low interest rate environment, banks go all in on doing refis, and the refis really get in the way of the purchase process for borrowers because they rather put their energy in the refis because it's easier. You don't have termination option clauses and contracts. You don't have inspections to worry about, canceled deals all the time. It's a lot easier path for banks to do refi. So they put their energy into refis when they can, and it just backs things up. The appraisal is going to be late because a whole bunch of refis all of a sudden showed up because rates took a drop. So that is another benefit. And the next benefit I have here is more housing inventory from sellers that are going to be buyers, that are also buyers. You're gonna see, I think we're gonna see some folks jump into the market and put their homes on the market as these rates start going up because they want to capture the rates before they get too high. So stay alert and watch for homes coming onto the market with these home sellers that are looking to cash out and make another purchase. And then the last point or benefit is higher rates may lead to better deals for investors. Investors are kind of sitting on the sidelines. I mean, they're out there right now, but I think a lot of them are on the sidelines waiting for deals. So those deals aren't going to come unless people start kind of letting go of homes or selling homes at a discount, compared to the rest of the market. So a benefit to the real estate investor is that that environment tends to lend itself to better deals. So let me know what you thought about these benefits to the rising mortgage rates. It was kind of a fun video to make, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next video.